This must be one of the most sought after and rarest Bentleys to ever leave the factory. It's the new Mulsanne 2019. They've only made 100 of these cars worldwide, and this Mulsanne is number one. It's truly an exceptional, rare and historic piece of Bentley history. The level of detail, the handcrafts inside, it is just beautiful. Now they're even paying tribute to W.O. Bentley himself. As you can see here, there's even a slice of the crankshaft from his personal 8-litre Bentley in the armrest of the car. The attention to detail is second to none. The Mulsanne represents a pinnacle of automotive luxury. It's got a completely redesigned front and rear. New technology throughout the cabin, with new lights, grills and wing vents to adorn the beautifully crafted body. Here you can see the personal 8-litre Bentley block from W.O. Bentley in the armrest. It's the world's finest handmade car. Options of the car include Centenary specification, First Edition specification, City and Touring specification, contrast stitching throughout, diamond knurling, the sound system is Bang & Olufsen for Bentley. And there's a plaque on the sill, one of 100, limited edition. Beautiful car. And it's powered, as I said, by a 6.7 litre V8. The colour of the leather, they call it fire glow. And there's the plaque that adorns the Bentley.